Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to discuss a very important debate, a very popular topic. This is really going to help you to improve your spoken English. Our today's topic is hard work is better or smart work. And here we are. Let's start this discussion. This is Pratik Tamar from Best English Classes, Bikaner.
And this is Mukesh Janma from Titanium English Classes, Udaipur.
Sir, what are your views on this topic?
First, I must thank you because you have chosen a beautiful topic, hard work and smart work. First, I must favor hard work because hard work teaches us discipline, dedication, and determination. Hard work is definitely more important because it is only through hard work that we can achieve the goals of our life. That's my first point.
Okay, but I think smart work is intellectual, sir. It improves our innovative and creative thinking skills. You are not only depending on your hands and your legs, you are depending on your brain. It improves your productivity and it teaches you time management skills. What do you say?
Yes, of course, this is right. But without hard work is the foundation to go for the smart work. And without this foundation, the smart work will remain weak. That's why I said that the foundation is strong, then of course smart work will be also strong.
Okay, but because of smart work, we now have more free time.
Mm.
And smart work forces us to concentrate on work fully because it demands mental presence too.
Mhm.
But in hard work, you rely only on your hands, as I said before. But here you are your brain is in control.
Yeah, brain is in control because smart people always rule the country or everywhere.
Yes.
And currently also those people who are smart workers, sorry, those who are hard worker, are they are actually used. Whether this is labor class people, although they have more efforts in making anything,
Yes.
but other things that smart work may make us lazy as we get used to doing less work and get more output. Is it not right?
Yes, that is right. But sir, hard work becomes boring and monotonous. There is no creativity in this. Like take the example of YouTubers. Now after COVID, now everyone is on YouTube. Every next person, every teacher is on YouTube. There is a good point and bad point in that. Now everyone is doing YouTube, but there are very few who are doing smart work in this, and only those are popular. Also, you can take example of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. I saw one interview with Economic Times. There was one interview. I read one interview, and it was about his travel schedule. And he said that I always travel in night so that I can sleep in the flight and work for the next day. So that is one very good example of smart work. People need to be very smart.
Yeah, true. But in smart work also, hard work exists. Without hard work in smart work, it will not work. Hard work draws attention, the diligence stand out, and it brings new opportunities. Other side, smart work often leads to the shortcuts and procrastination. It provides only temporary success in most of the cases.
Yes, but if we see in school also, just take the example of school, like when we study over there, then those students who get 90% marks or more than 90% marks, whenever you ask them, they will always say that we did smart work. Like we just took help of the last 10 years paper and we prepared those answers with very in a very smart way. That's why we were able to get that much percentage. The same thing happens in corporate world also. Like all people are hardworking over there, but only those who are smart workers, they get promotions.
Yeah, that's true. But after getting that promotion, ultimately, on what point they come, they will choose hardworking person to work under them. I mean, they will not purchase the smart worker smarter than them, and the employee give his or her maximum effort in achieving the goal, irrespective of the method used. Other
But
side,
Mm-hmm.
Other side, mere smart work may not yield a result. If we want to reach the pinnacle of success in our chosen field, then smart work alone won't really help. Is it not right?
But smart workers can only set deadlines and goals. Hardworking people can only continue doing work and work and work.
No, but I said no. The most of the things hard work teaches us. I said patience and discipline. After
Mm-hmm.
getting the level in this smart work, people are not well disciplined. I mean, their patience also decreases. Such people get negative quickly, and it always accomplishes something. It might be you learn something or build something, right? So that's why at this time also the people who are hardworking are noticed first, right? Other side, smart work gives you feeling of superiority since you will get used to smart work of doing every time. So that
Mm-hmm.
superiority sometimes becomes negative for people.
But when I was in industry, na, I always found that bosses only give proper recognition to the smart people. There were many of our colleagues who used to work very hard, but they never got attention. And there are
Mm-hmm.
some others who know the art of pleasing the bosses, and they were good in presenting their reports.
Mm-hmm.
And they have done also the same work, but they have presented it very well, so they got more attention.
Right.
And
There also hard work exists.
smart work also requires in-depth knowledge. If you don't have
Mhm.
in-depth knowledge, then you can do smart work.
Right. Yeah, of course, without depth knowledge, and that knowledge will come only by the hard work at the initial stage. And
Okay.
other things we can't teach hard work to the smart working person. That is also right. It
Mm-hmm.
happens in most of the cases that these hard working people cannot be taught. Sorry, smart working people cannot be taught the hard work, and if they are not willing to work, especially in that work. And other thing is that once people are habitual using these old shortcuts like machineries and computers, they are completely dependent. People get frustrated in when there is no electricity, right? But the hardworking people have their own schedule. They are not dependent much on other things. That's why they live happy life. Is it not right?
No, no, sir. I beg to disagree because I think that I think the smart work is really the need of the hour, sir. It will save a lot of time and allow you to be more organized.
Mm-hmm.
And you can, and through smart work, your goals can be reached faster, sir. Because
Mm-hmm.
it's the biggest point I have is that it saves your time and you can do other things. You can spend some time with your family. You can do exercise. If you are smart worker, you can do other things also. And it brings you a lot of recognition, as I said before. You can grow more in industry.
People are becoming smarter day by day.
Mm-hmm.
Another side, if you watch, if you look closely, the humanity, the sincerity, these all things decreasing day by
Yes,
day.
these
Even
values
the
are decreasing.
relationships, even the relationships between the people also decreasing because he loves his smart working and doesn't focus on other things, and he has expectations from others to do same. Is it not right?
Okay, sir, at some extent I will have to agree, but I think even in maintaining relationships, you need to be smart.
Okay.
Even your partner does not give you enough recognition if you are an hard worker, but if you can smartly deal in relationships, it's good for you.
Yeah,
I
that's true. But in relationship, hardworking people are always respected.
Okay, sir, it's never ending, sir,
But
never
it's
ending
it's a
debate.
never-ending topic. But even I think we had a wonderful points.
Yes,
You had a wonderful counter questions, and these questions, these points will definitely help to the all listeners if they
yes,
really want to improve their communication skills.
yes,
This discussion leads to the fluency. It leads to the success of a complete language. So
yes,
that's a simple message from my side to all listeners.
yes, sir. I will request again all the new people who are first time on the channel, please do subscribe the channel and hit the all button and like it or dislike it. It's up to you. And please give your feedback. Please give your feedback. We really want it and we want to improve this YouTube channel. And looking forward to see you soon, guys. Note down all these points. These are very beneficial and try to do the same GD with your friends.